Hello again, Misty Ricardo, Richard Sace here. I'm at Bhaji Fresh once again, and we're cooking a Jalpuri King Prawn.
Yep.
Chef Malik is going to show us how it's done. Okay. Bit of oil, which is vegetable oil, bit of garlic. Just blended fresh garlic with some turmeric. Spinach. So, Chef has added some spinach there. He's going to wilt that off. It's good quality spinach.
Very good quality, yeah.
100% pure.
The onions.
And go some
peppers.
Thickly sliced onion.
Peppers.
Segments, some pepper and some fresh coriander.
Same again, salt.
Yep. So there's a half teaspoon of salt, about teaspoon and a half to 2 teaspoons of kasuri methi, dried fenugreek leaves.
Yeah, base gravy, the simmered onions.
Splash of base gravy again to cook the onions. So there's a bit of moisture in there going around in the pan. It softens them up quicker. Chef's turned the heat down just a touch because he's just taking an order in from a customer. On its lowest setting at the moment. So back up with the heats.
Yep. Back with the heat. I'm going to show you another thing here. Bit of garlic.
So Chef's cooking the king prawn element of the curry with a bit of oil and garlic, and you're going to toss in some on the shell king prawns, which look and smell gorgeous.
Ocean Fresh.
Ocean Fresh. Is that the brand? No, they're good quality prawns, as you can see.
What I'm doing, put a bit of garlic in.
Yep.
Touch of salt.
Yep.
Touch.
Yep.
Let the king for a half cook. It's not really a half cooked anyway.
Yep.
So now what I've done.
A little bit of salt in there as well.
So I'm going to add that in the curry.
So the chef puts it into the curry. A bit of mix around. And now in with the mixed powder.
Mixed powder.
Yep.
Such a chili powder to give that little, it's got that sweet, soury, a bit of spiciness in it, so you get all that flavour.
The flavour, it's not just heat, it's a lot of flavour in chili powder.
It's not the heat, it's just the flavour.
So tomato paste. Now this is interesting. What's that?
That's the sweet chili sauce.
Okay. So it's like Thai style.
Yeah, Thai style.
It's Thai style sweet chili sauce.
And touch of garlic chili sauce.
And that's sriracha, isn't it? Sriracha garlic sauce.
Right, so I'm going to add the base now.
Yep.
So I'm going to let it, simmer on the cooker for about, say, 3 to 5 minutes.
Yep.
And hopefully it'll be done. I'll bang in the container.
Great, so three minutes or so. And because you're cooking it in like 4 minutes, then it's not really risking the prawns getting overdone.
I'm just going to leave it now for a bit.
Brilliant. So we'll leave that for 2 or 3 minutes and then we're done. Right, here we go. This is Jalpuri King Prawn. Look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now look at that prawn. Still on the shell. Tons of flavour. I'm going to blow on it first so it cools down even further. Well, I've got to say, that's got to be my new favourite king prawn dish. Tons of flavour. King prawn's really juicy and flavoursome. I'm going to take this home and eat it for supper. Well, thanks again for watching. Chef Abdul Malik from Bhaji Takeaway, cooking up a storm here. And please like and subscribe if you like the video. There's plenty more to come. Bye for now.